In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a event link for a reminder in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a single link you can share so others can view the details of your event or reminder without needing special access. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Other Calendars, hover there, and click the small plus icon. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Calendar. This gives you a clean place to host the event you want to share, and it keeps things organized if you prefer to keep your personal schedule separate. Give your new calendar a clear, recognizable name like Christmas Party, or any title that makes sense for your reminder. Adding a short description helps set context. For example, what the event is about or who it's for. When you're ready, scroll down and click Create Calendar. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the calendar was successfully created. Head back to the main calendar view. On the left, in your list of calendars, find the one you just created. Click the three dots next to its name and choose Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll control how others can see it. Scroll to the Access Permissions section and turn on Make Available to Public. And Google will warn you that making a calendar public means anyone with the link can view it, so only do this for a calendar you're comfortable sharing. Next to that setting, open the drop-down and select See All Event Details. This ensures your viewers can see the title, time, location, and notes for anything on this calendar. Now you're ready to get the link. In the same settings page, look for Get Shareable Link. Click it, then choose Copy Link. That copies the public viewing link to your clipboard. That's it. You've created a public event link for your reminder in Google Calendar. Paste that link into an email, a chat, or a social post so anyone can check the details. A quick tip. Keep this calendar dedicated to just the event or reminders you want to share, so only relevant items appear for viewers. If you no longer need it to be public later, return to Settings and Sharing and turn off Make Available to Public. Also, remind your audience to check their time zone in Google Calendar so the event time displays correctly. Thanks for watching and happy planning!